Hello there friends. I done all the garlic. I dig all the garlic. I plant them like this. And then now they're here, I give them this water and then civic solution. And also last but not the least is the hay or dried hay. Alright. And I wasn't going to give him water because this is the blanket, but I realized I got left of civic solution, so I put some bit more water. And then now slightly wet then now, not very wet, because in the bottom there already got I give him water already and the seaweed. So that's all. Gonna put a bit more layer. Don't put very thick hay though, these dry leaves or dried weeds, because if you do dried grass, if you put too thick, the garlic greens or the seedlings, once they get up to see the light, by the time they put on the top, they were already so exhausted and it happened they died. So don't put too much, just thin layer only. Okay, so the reason I put it a little bit more here, so I don't get super wet, and you know the night is cold, but anyway it's easy to dry anyway, especially weather is so cold. This soil is really good drainage because of the sand, fine sand we put in. So let's see. So one day I give them some water a bit because that was dry for 3 days. I haven't given him water since I planted it, so now I give him water just to soak more the moisture. It's good. And then I'm not gonna give him water even this one week from now. So by the time I come back here and check this, it will be nice and dry. So maybe a week later or so, some of the garlic seeds or cloves I may sprouted it, because I saw today like this, some greens already come out, only few. This one I didn't see any, so they are already, but the roots is coming out. So this green large often when they don't have I notice when the roots is just about to coming out, but the greens is already shoot when you give them even overnight or few hours of seaweed solution. Alright guys, that's it. That's how you planting garlic. This is a green large here, big and medium size.